A quick update on Pendle here. So, Pendle, from the last update, we did have an uptrend on the chart, which I ended up taking off just so we can focus on some levels here to watch instead of trying to focus on where we want to draw the uptrend, whether it's broken or not. It's kind of hard to tell here on Pendle. So, going on the very small fib from the low to the high, where we had this double top with the lower high here, forming this market structure that is bearish, at least short term here. We did end up coming down perfectly. As you can see, 2 weekly candles set right on that 618 at 358. Bounced up, stuck right at the 382 at 478. And now we're pulling back down potentially to that 618 once again. So we are currently down almost 15% on the week. We are at 389. And as long as you're below 414 here at this point 5, then you're looking to drop back down to this level once again, and you're still going to drop about 7.5–8% here to 358. Now, what also could be in play here is a double bottom at this area. If we don't wick down below it and break these lows here, you could have a bullish double bottom here and push right back up. So just keep that in mind. But you are not short-term bullish until you get back over 478 over this 382. As long as you're below that, that puts in all of these levels here in play. And if you come down here and the 618 does not hold, the next stop down you can see is the 786 at 292, and that's where you're going to get about a 25% drop. And if that doesn't hold, of course, if we pull the Fibonacci down here to the bottom, then you can see we do have the 236. Well, let me go ahead and pull this all the way down. Let me get this to where we can pull it all the way down on the chart. Our 236 is matching up with that previous high here. So that could, off of this double top, be exactly where the price of this thing is headed, back down to back test this once again, that previous high, and hit the macro 236 at 212. And we could still drop on this thing about 40–45% down here to these levels. Just keep in mind, as long as you're over the previous high at 226 here and that 236, macro wise, looking at the overall chart, you are still considered extremely bullish over that 236. So really nothing to worry about. Normal market price structure here. So if it ends up coming down, you get a discount, you get to add it to your position down here, and you're still macro bullish. So just keep that in mind. If you're bullish on Pendle, of course, then that'd be a great opportunity for you. Now, as for how high this thing is going to go, if we go to where we are today, sitting right above that 618 support, if we hold and we bounce back up and we continue to move, we do have the 618 target up here at 30 bucks. That's going to give you a $4.6 billion market cap on Pendle, and from today, about a 650% move, so about a 7.5x on your investment. And if it happens to come all the way back down to the previous high here and that 236, then that's when you're going to get about a 13x on your investment if you think it can hit a $4.6 billion market cap, of course. So what are your thoughts on Pendle? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.